For the second time this month, a murder suspect in Baton Rouge has been acquitted by a jury.
Jarvis Lee Bowie was arrested in January 2021, accused of killing Clarence Augustus in a drive-by shooting a month before. Yesterday, a jury found Bowie not guilty in that killing. News 2's David Hamilton talked to Bowie's attorney and a law professor about the outcome of this case.
Jarvis Lee Bowie now joins a very small group of people acquitted in East Baton Rouge Parish, and now Bowie is a free man. The 19th Judicial District has maintained a conviction rate of more than 90% for 50 years. So for not just one, but two people to be found not guilty after being prosecuted within a month is highly unusual. Kevin Dukes was acquitted in the murder of Julius Thomas on August 2nd. 18 days later, on August 20th, Jarvis Lee Bowie has now been acquitted for the murder of Clarence Augustus. LSU professor Ken Levy says acquittal in these cases are as rare as they come.
If this is a fluke or a trend where defendants in two cases are acquitted, I think it's much more common for prosecutors to win their cases, and I think mistrials are more common than acquittals. So to get two back-to-back acquittals strikes me as rare.
Bowie's defense attorney, Alex Laird, says both Dukes and his client cases had one thing in common: a tracking app called Tracks.
It's a very imprecise way of trying to pinpoint somebody's location. Basically, it will try to say that they were within a 5-mile radius circle somewhere on a map. I think that that needs to be looked at. And I don't think the state should be relying on track software.
Professor Levy says the app being used in both cases as evidence could be the common denominator.
If juries aren't buying that an app is reliable and they're acquitting on that basis, well, there's your answer. And I think the lesson for the district attorney is stop relying on that app for evidence because the juries aren't buying it.
Testimony began today in another high-profile murder trial. Ladarius Coleman is accused of killing 3 people on Labor Day in 2021. One of the victims was just shy of her 2nd birthday. Coleman's brother was also arrested. He will be tried separately. We'll keep you posted on the progress of this trial. Live in the newsroom, David Hamilton, WBRZ News 2.